Going to tie a vertical hitch. With the vertical hitch, I'm going to be given one 5-foot I&I web sling, all right, and one 5/8" screw pin shackle. All right, so let's get in here and tie this vertical hitch here. I'm going to go ahead and open my screw pin shackle. I always like my data tags to be up on the crane hook, so I'm not going to put it in that eye. I'm going to put that shackle in the bottom eye. We're going to use our eye bolt as our anchor point. I'm going to bring that data tag past your camera one more time, and she's going to go up to the crane hook. And this is a vertical hitch. How do I check this? I'm going to make sure that there's no twists in my hitch, and check that shackle, that screw pin, making sure she's tight. So as long as nothing's twisted up on the nylon here and my screw pin is tight, this hitch is ready to go.